Hi, my name is Jafar and I am a company profile creator, designer, and also a Shopify dropshipping expert. And in today's video, we're going to discuss about company profile and the basic fundamentals and the design layout of the successful company profile. And today we're going to discuss about a consulting firm company profile, and there will be two parts, and I am going to provide you two assets. First one is the editable Word file. You can edit it in your own purpose, and also editable design files or the design templates. You can easily edit it for your own company profile. So let's begin the video. This is the content of this video. You're going to have it in this link. I'm going to give it on my description. So this is the Word file I have added here, and this is the editable Figma file I have added here. And you can see that this is 28 pages company profile I have added here. First of all, we have to need to know what exactly a company profile is. We both know about this, and we came into this video about creating a profile. So let's go to the main point of the basic fundamentals of a company profile. First of all, we have to put our name, address, and our contact info in our profile. And second one is about us. And this is a storytelling process because everyone like a story, and we will try to create a story basis about us content for our profile. And there will be a message from our founder or CEO, and there will be our vision section, our mission section, and our core values. And then we have to put our services or our product details, and we have to provide our professional teams and our employees info. There will be past project details with description, and there will be a client logo show up section, and there will be a client testimonial section. It could be written or it could be the previous project images we can use in the profile. There will be a company organogram or the chain of command visualization or infographic, and there will be last our concluding remarks. Those are the basic key points of a company profile we have to put. Without any talk, let's jump into the content section. You can see that this is the totally ready content for a previous client of mine. I'm going to give this file in the description. You can check it out from there. The main goal is my video is to showing you the design and providing you the ready-made editable templates. So I'm going to discuss the full content in my design, and I'm going to open the file. You can see that this is a Figma dashboard. I'm going to import the file I'm going to provide you first. But before importing the video, I'm going to show you how you can import it in your Figma dashboard. So I am showing you from the sketch. You have to write figma.com, and this interface will come to you. And from here, you have to click get started for free. And this is an easy process to create a Figma account. If you do not have any, just click continue with Google, and it will ask email address. I'm not going to create this one because I already have a Figma account, and I am going to the way we're importing and editing this project. And here is the top right corner. You can see that there is an import button. I'm clicking it, and import it from your computer. I have kept it in my desktop, and this is the file Cortex company profile.fig. This is the Figma file.fig, and I am opening it. It's done. You can see that this is the blue selected file. This is our file. I'm opening it, double clicking, and this is the project. And this is the left side. You can know this is the page number. And if you click this one, you can see that this is the first file I have selected. And if you click the left small arrow here, it will show you the elements. But you do not need to click this one because we are going to the easy way. And I'm zooming it using Control on the keyboard and scrolling the mouse wheel. You can see that this is the logo section. I'm going to remove it because I do not need it if you're using your own logo. I'm clicking it and pressing backspace and it's deleted. And this is easy process to import logo here. Just minimize it, and this is the logo I'm going to put. Copy it and Control C, copy, and paste it here. Select the one here and Control V for paste. You can see that this is the logo came here, and I'm going to scaling it smaller, and I am going to make it small. You can click it, press Shift and drag to the left with the left button. You can see that this is already adjusted, and I'm going to placing it. Okay, great. And you have to change the name here. You can see that this is the blue box. It selected the content, and double click it. Again double click and double click, and this is selected. You can change it now. So I am putting A, B, C, and you can, this is the second group. You can double click and change A group. Okay, it's changed. If you want to keep this profile, then it's here, or if you want to remove it, just double click it, and you can see that it's selected, and press backspace, it's deleted. And I'm making it back. Control Z is to undo it, and you can also change this content as well. Double click it, and you can see that this is changeable, and I'm going to color it, this whole text, and you can see this is the fill color, and I'm going to make it whatever I want. Perfect. So if you want to color only this oversights, just select this text and came here, click here and make it purple. Cool, it's done. If you want to change its color also, just click here, go to the linear, and you can see this is the blue one. It's selected, and make it purple, and this one I'm going to make it orange. And you can always make the transparency from here. You can say it's changing and providing it in this method. in this area. It's, it's super simple and easy. You just need to wash a It's super simple and easy to customize and edit this template on Figma. You do not need to install any software in your machine. You just need to log in your Figma interface and easy. And if my Figma video is not helpful for you, please watch a video on how to use Figma and the basic fundamentals of Figma. It will be about 1 hour's video and you will learn a lot. And I'm going to cover only the company profile and the contents here. And if you want me to create a new company profile from scratch, and if you want to use only your brand identity, just make me a call or just knock me. I will be in your service, and I will put the link in the description how you can contact me or how you can book consultancy with me, and they will be very easy and very helpful for you and me, for both our side. So where I am going to change this arrow color, just click here and you can see there is a stroke and it's the fill color, and I am going to change it to this and it's changed. It's super simple, and you can change also this color. Here is the fill button. You can show you know that how to change the color, and I am going to change this content. Welcome message. Just double click here, it will be changeable. If you want to rename it, just click it there, and you know that you can see that it's also changed. If you want to change this image, this is another tricky one. Just click here and you can see that on the field is the image here, and I'm going to show you the easiest way. Okay, just go to your desktop and select a image. Suppose I'm selecting this one, and select it and copy it. Control C, copy, and came here, select this one, click it and Control V. Cool. The image is pasted here and you do not need to do anything else. It's super simple. It's already scaled, and if you want to uh, make this one on the middle, just double click it or single click it. Sorry for that. Just single click it and go to the image, and here you can see that it's fill, and go to crop, and now you can resize it like this one and cut it. You know, the text are on the middle and on the center. Okay, content section, table of content with the page number. This is the first one. Our mission, our vision, our core values, business policy. These all contents are on the doc file. You can see that I have shown you previously, and I'm going to give you the content file as well. Here is the content about Cortec. There was about us. I just rename us to the company name, and all the contents are almost same. You can see that this is the welcome content. I'm cutting this one. I have added here. This is the other section. This is the other contents at the down. At the those are the other contents I already added here, here, and here. You can see them when you want by double clicking, and you can also change the page number and the colors. You have to go to this one Change the color. This context, if you want to change, go to, suppose this one is done. There is our vision section. Okay, just double click, and if you want to change the color, go for it. It's done. It's also done. There is an overlay I have used here. You can see this is the black image here. You just have to change the image from here. I'm changing it. It's already changed. You can see that, but I do not need this one. I'm undoing it. Done. There is our core value section. There is a little icon. If you want, you can change it by clicking it, and by replacing it, you can replace it. It's done. You can see that it's replaced, but not good enough to put this logo here. You know how to change this image, and this is the business policy section with text box and icon. This is the business policy, and this is our governance principle. Our services area, you can put, this is the cool graphics I have used here. If you want to change the color, it's not tricky. Just change the color. From the stock, you can change it to whatever you want. You can change the color, and you can change the image also. This is our service area. This is very important to put in your profile. Just double click it to replace the text. This text. This is the end of our service, and here this is the management of the company. You can change the color of this icon also. This is a simple organogram. You can see that this is also an organogram or the chain of command I have designed here, and this is about directors and the little message from the directors and the government body. And this is our client logo section we have discussed before. This is the client logo section we have discussed before. And this is our code of conduct. You can compare the content with the design. And this is marketing strategy with icon box and image and text box. And this is another shape. You can change it anywhere, anytime. But if you're going to change this one, it's not clickable. There is a reason why it's not clickable. You can see that there is a lock button here, group 122. I'm unlocking it, and now it's clickable. See, you have to unlock it. There is marketing strategy section, and this is concluding remarks. And this is the back page. I just added the content, the logo, the taglines, and the contact information. I just hide the original numbers, phone numbers, and related details. You don't have to worry about it. I have put all the documents in the description below. Just check it out, and if you are facing any difficulties, just knock me or just comment here. I will try to solve your problem. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting me. Bye bye.